wholesalecentral.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to wholesalecentral.com, which is an online platform that serves as a comprehensive wholesale directory connecting retailers with wholesale suppliers and distributors. It offers a wide range of products across various categories at discounted bulk prices. Retailers can find diverse merchandise for resale, including apparel, electronics, and home goods. The platform facilitates efficient wholesale purchasing and promotes business growth by providing access to a vast network of suppliers. Users can browse through thousands of products and negotiate deals directly with wholesalers. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the front page or the home page of our platform. As you can see, we have the search box here. If you want to search for products, we have the buyer sign up or the supplier sign up and the login for those who already have an account. And here we have the categories. As you can see, we have the popular categories like Amazon FBA suppliers, apparel and clothing, and so on. And here we have deals and trade shows, blog, and questions if you have any question. So let's start by signing up as a buyer, like you see, or if you are a supplier, you can sign up as a supplier. Join the Wholesale Central Buyers Network for free. So we can join the wholesale network for free. So let's sign up for free. We enter our email address and then we hit submit. Then we hit submit, and here we have to fill this information, choose our password and re-enter our password, first name, last name, company name, your phone number, your address, your city and your country and your state, then your postal code, and you will need to answer these questions. What is your primary type of business? You choose one of those options. What type of merchandise are you trying to source, and choose one of those options. And guys, fill these questions with honesty and transparency. Where do you primarily sell? Then if you would like to receive exclusive offers from verified wholesale central suppliers, you click yes, sign me up, or no, don't sign me up if you don't want anyone to disturb you in your email. Then I have read and agreed to the terms of the user agreement. Then you hit join. So I'm going to fill this information and going back with you right away. So after filling the information, we have one last step to complete our signing up, which is to check our email for a link, for a confirmation link the website sent for us. So you can go to your Gmail and get the link, and then your sign up will be complete. So that's it. Now we completed our signing up. So let's go and see the Wholesale Central homepage of Wholesale Central. So as you see here, we have, but first let's check the login, and let's log in as a buyer login after creating our account. So here you type your email and your password. So now we are logged in our account, and here we have the popular categories. Like you see, the Amazon FBA suppliers, apparel, clothing, dropshippers, electronics, general merchandise, smoking products, perfume, jewelry, health, beauty, wellness, gifts, and we have more categories. As you see here, we have some suppliers, like you see, like this one, Empire Distribution USA. So let's check one of these categories. Let's go with the Amazon FBA suppliers, and let's see, you can filter them by location, or you can filter by supplier types, business services, closeout broker, liquidator, distributor, and so on. You can filter by the price point, upscale, mid-range, value price, off price. So as you see, we have here the suppliers. You can view his profile from here or from here. You can see, you can view his profile from here, or you can contact the supplier from his WhatsApp in here. There are some others that have their websites, and others have just their profile. So let's check. So let's leave those ones because they're sponsored. Let's leave the sponsored ones and let's go for these ones. So let's go for this one. Let's check his products, view profile. As you can see, he have a military products like this men's tactical hiking boots, inch lightweight military boots, also this and this. So as you can see, all his products is about soldiers. So you can shop from this button. So this is his website. As you can see, you can shop from his website, as you can see, or you can contact him if you want to buy a wholesale for any boots or something else. And here we have other suppliers. So you can just take their phone number, call them or send them a message, tell them about the quantity you want to buy, and make a deal with them, and there you go. So let's go back. So here we have some deals. Also, let's see the deals section. As you can see, up to 10% off of women clothing. Attention Amazon FBA sellers, delivery service is now free. As you can see, you can find some good deals in this section. And here we have the trade shows. As you can see, you can find trade shows from here. You can select a category, a keyword, location, date from to, and then you hit search. And here we have your messages. If you contacted someone, you will have your messages right here. Here you have your settings. If you want to change your personal information, your email, password, member settings, user agreement. And here you have your orders, where you can check your orders. And here if you want to log out from the platform. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.